Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know whether Starling Bank offers joint accounts or not. Fortunately, Starling Bank does offer joint account. So a joint account with Starling Bank allows two individuals to share a single bank account, enabling them to manage the financials together. Here is how you can open a joint account with Starling Bank. So you'll need to start by downloading the application on your mobile device and creating your account. Now, both individuals who wish to open a joint account must first have their own individual Starling Bank account. And if you or the other person does not have individual account yet, you can sign up for one through the Starling Bank app. Now, once both individual accounts are set up and logged into the Starling Bank app, you can navigate to the option with the app to get another account, and then from the list of account type, select the option to open a joint account, follow the prompt and provide the required information such as personal details for both account holders. And Starling Bank made identity verification for both account holder as part of the joint account application process. This could involve submitting identification document or completing a verification process within the app, and then you could go ahead and review and agree to the terms and condition, receive and activate the debit card as well, and start using the joint account. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.